To welcome you all to our school celebration of United Nations Day 2025.
With that, I hereby declare the mock United Nations Assembly on the right to education officially in session. Let us begin with our first speaker, the representative of Nigeria. Challenges remain, particularly in dominating the access, quality schooling and social is limited. Germany recognizes education as a cornerstone for sustainable development and social cohesion. As a cornerstone of sustainable development and social justice.
United Kingdom stands at the forefront for advocating the responsible, transparent and ethical development of AI, which must be firmly done in democratic values.
Artificial intelligence as a strategic force for sustainable development, economic diversification and improved public services. We were among the first nations to appoint a Minister of State for Artificial Intelligence, reflecting our commitment to building a future-ready society.
Brazil is concerned about the growing digital divide and the risks of unregulated AI. Marginalized communities are often left behind in AI development.
Delegate of the Philippines for addressing such a critical issue about the labor displacement due to AI and automation. Well, our answer to you is that the United States of America has already established initiatives that protect the workers, such as unemployment benefits, robusting skills and uplifting skills program, and also investment in education for digital skills.